Hello boys and girls, this is your math lesson and we are going to continue to do sorting all this week. So today for math we will continue to learn about sorting or how to sort. Why is sorting important? Well, it's important because it helps you group things into groups. It helps you put them together and you can tell, once you have them in groups, you can tell how are they the same and how are they different. Okay, like here I sorted all the stars together. There may be some big ones, some small ones, but they're stars. That's what I'm sorting by. That's the attribute by how it looks. And circles. I am grouping them together by how they look. They could be small or big, but I'm just looking for circles. Okay? So today I have some shapes here. They're all different colors, but what I am going to be looking for, the attribute that I'm looking for, is if they are triangles, I'm going to put them over here. And if they're squares, I'm going to put them over here. So right now, I'm not looking at the color. I'm not looking to see if they're smaller or bigger. The attribute that I'm looking for is how, what shape it has. And how does it look, what shape it is. If it's a triangle or if it's a square. Okay? So that's what we're looking at. We're looking how it looks, its attribute. And here, this one looks like a what? A square, right? Because a square has 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this one's going to be a square. Okay, and here we have a what? Is it a triangle or a square? We're looking at it. Yes, it is a triangle. Triangles have 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So, and this one has 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it doesn't go over here, it goes over here with the triangles. So we're looking at the attributes, what it looks like. What is this? Square or triangle? That's a square, so we're going to put it with the squares. What is this? Does it go over here? No, it goes over here with the triangles. See how these triangles are different? One's longer than the other one, but they're still triangles. They have 3 sides. What about this one? That one's also a triangle. And this one, these 2 are green and this is yellow. So it doesn't matter that they have different colors as long as they're all triangles. Because the attribute that I'm looking for is the shape. I'm not looking for the color or the size. So we're looking for the shape. This one, triangle, goes over here. This one, square. So we're going to put it here. Like I said, we're not looking at color. It doesn't matter that these 2 are red and this one's blue. It's a square, so it's going with the squares. What about this one? Yes, it's a triangle. What about this one? Another triangle. This one? Square. What about this one? Triangle. Oops. This one? Another triangle. This one? Triangle again. What about this one? That's a square, so we're going to put it here. Okay? So when you're sorting, you have to check first. What is the attribute I'm looking for? Okay? So right now we're looking at the shape. That all of over here are going to be triangles. All of over here are going to be square. Okay? So another way that I could sort them could be by colors, right? So maybe I could put, that's a green one, I can put that green one there. That's another green one, I can put them together. This one is blue. So can I put it with this one if I'm sorting by color? No, if it's by color, it has to go over here on the side. This one. So I had to put a paper on the bottom because it was getting hard to look at the color. So this one, does it go here? No. Here? Nope. So we're going to put them in another group. What about this one? This one's like a green. It kind of looks blue. But this is a green one. So I'm going to put them with the greens. Here's a red one. So I can't put it with the green. I can't put it with the blue. I can't put them with the yellow, so I'm going to have to put them with the reds. What about this ones? They're all going to be green, so we put them there with the greens. Okay, so when you are sorting, it's very important to know what attribute are we sorting. How does it look? Are we sorting by the shape, by the color, or the size? But for today's homework, you're going to be sorting by shapes. So again, you're going to put all the triangles on this side and all the squares on this one. Okay? Okay, that is the lesson for today. If you're still having problems seeing the homework or uploading it, stick around. If not, you're done with your math lesson. Mamá, si todavía está batallando en subir la tarea o ver la tarea o manipular la tarea, quédate a ver este pedacito del video. Si no estás batallando, ya sabes cómo, ya se acabó la lección. Gracias. Ok, estoy haciendo este video en español para la materia de matemáticas, para enseñarles cómo se hace la tarea, porque he tenido muchos papás que me dicen, no funciona, no se mueve. Más porque toda esta semana voy a encargar ese tipo de tarea. Entonces, esta es una tableta de un estudiante para que se puedan ver, se debe de ver igual que la de ustedes. Acá arriba van a estar los videos, miran los dos videos, y luego acá abajo está la tarea. Entonces le va a picar aquí lo verde que dice Assigned, y aquí le va a salir la tarea. Le presiona ahí. Cuando recién baja la tarea se mira así y aquí pues no puede mover nada. De hecho creo que porque ya lo debe haber hecho ella, pero para que pueda mover todo le presionan aquí a porque inicialmente la tarea lo lleva todo aquí. Entonces le presiona aquí. Y ya cuando le presiona aquí, entonces ya debe de poder moverlo. Ya los puede mover. Ok, bueno, se me vuelve a regresar. Entonces de aquí ya los puede mover. Está en la computadora un poco despacio. Pero de ese modo ya lo va a poder manipular y mover los dibujos. Ok, mientras que esté trabajando en ese trabajo, la tableta debe de estarlo saving, guardando sus cambios. Entonces ya cuando termine, va a salir aquí, ya debe de estar sus cambios. Aquí ya se ven los cambios, y le pica la X y luego ya le pueden poner turn in y ya me lo manda con los cambios hechos, ¿ok? Aunque se salgan de repente si están batallando y se salen de la cuenta, los cambios se deben de estar guardando. Entonces antes de que me lo mande, nada más oprima ahí otra vez y